Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name's Stephanie. Y'all, hope you're having a good week. I finally made it to the post office and picked up a little bit late, several days late, my ice cream beauty for October. Now, of course, October is Halloween, but it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So if you have not had your Mammy's Grammy, make sure you do that before the end of the year. Always very important to screen out breast cancer. Okay, so let's get into it. I did cut the little label so I could get into it, but I haven't opened it. Here's what it looks like. All right, October Scream Queen is the theme of the month. It's got my 5 items on here. This box is $25. You get 5 full-size items, and they do give you a little description and the MSRP on these items. So nicely packaged. Let's see what we got here. You do also always get guaranteed a palette, which is really nice. It could be an eyeshadow palette, it could be a blush palette, it could be a highlighter palette, it could be a contour palette. You get something. Let's see what this first item is. Deance. Oh, it's a liquid blush. There it is. Okay, MSRP on this right away starts us off at the price of the box, $25. Says this is another product where you only need a very small amount of product. 2 to 3 dots of this blush should be more than enough. Dries quickly, but creates the perfect fall shade when it is dry. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, liquid blushes, you gotta be careful. They're always very pigmented. You have to blend them pretty quickly. Blot them in with a blender. Ooh, it's a pretty color. Look at that. That's really pretty. For blush, I think that's quite pretty. Okay, it does have a dofa. All right, that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch-a-rooney this. Now remember, although this kind of looks like it's a liquid lipstick, it's a blush. Now I took the whole dofa and wiped it all up and down my hand. First thing is, it is called Autumn After Moon. Okay, that's funny. I love how they spelled it. There's a little spelling play on words and letters and things, but that's the color. I can already feel it drying down really quickly, so definitely something that you would have to blend and blot in really quickly. We're going to blendy with the finger. It blends out nicely. That'd be very pretty on the face as a blush. It's on my finger as well, so I'm happy with that right off the bat. Again, that's already the price of the box, so that's very cool. Ooh, this looks like an Ofra. Ooh, it is. A highlighter from Ofra. How pretty is that? The color is Rodeo Drive. Okay, Rodeo Drive highlighter. Let's see, it is, man, I'm having a hard time. Anniversary edition. It is $22 for this. Glow didn't exist before Rodeo Drive. This is Ofra's #1 fan favorite champagne highlighter, made with a liquid to baked formula and is never cakey or powdery. Shines on and on and on. We are featuring the limited edition anniversary version of this highlighter. That is beautiful. I have a couple of Ofra highlighters. They're lovely. They're lovely. Absolutely my top 2 between Ofra and Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Amazing highlighters. Lots of brands are doing a great job with highlighters, so that's nice. All right, let's see. Grab this little gem here. Beauty Creations Color Base Primer in Blackout. Very Halloween-y. It is a blackout color base primer by Beauty Creations and $5. Says this is the most affordable item going into the box, but is also a must-have for any makeup collection. You only need a small amount. They have that in bold letters, y'all. Says this can be used on eyes, face, or lips. Our favorite application is on the eyes as an eyeshadow primer. Black adds dimension to metallic shimmers and jewel chromes. I totally agree. It's not quite intimidating as it seems. It also makes your black eyeshadow and eyeliner true black when used as a primer. I think this is going to be a really nice thing to add to my collection. I have a couple that I do use. I've got one that's more skin tone for me, and then one that's quite light. Almost would be like, it's just really almost like ivory white. And then I think this is going to be amazing. So I'm super happy to get that. Again, very affordable at $5. So that is awesome. All right, what else we got in here? Is it the last item? I feel like it is. It's the last item to make sure I wasn't crazy. Well padded, nicely bubble wrapped. It's the, of course, palette that we are always promised, a palette. Wicked Widow Graveyard Smash. Here's our Halloween item. This is from Wicked Willow Beauty. Let's quick read about it, and then I'll show it to you guys. Graveyard Smash Palette by Wicked Willow Cosmetics, $36. We are so excited to introduce Wicked Willow Cosmetics into our box. It is a beloved indie brand by many. This palette features 4 mattes, 2 dual chromes, and 2 shimmers. It is a magnetic palette that can be reorganized, and you can swap the shadows, or shades, I should say, with any square pan Wicked Widow Cosmetic eyeshadow shades. So it's refillable, which is great. I mean, how cute. And I'm just going to show you the back. It continues the idea of the little spider web. Okay, there's a mirror. Very pretty. Generous size pans. I love the colors and shades. What a gorgeous palette. Isn't that pretty? So it is magnetic. You can, here's the shade saver. You can pull those shades out when you run out and replace them. And again, $36. So it's 8, and they're large pans. So really, really pretty. All right, what do you guys think? I think it was a nice box. I'm always happy with this box. I'm rarely even remotely unhappy with this box. Whereas with Boxy by Ipsy, I'm usually kind of disappointed. So $25, you get a palette. I appreciate that it's usually nicely bubble wrapped. Everything is always nicely done. Oh, I did miss one. I thought I missed something, y'all. Last item. I missed one. I thought I was missing an item. Okay, this is from Illuminati. pH Color Changing Lip Gloss. Ooh, by Illuminati Cosmetics, $20. Look how cool that color is. Let's quick read this. This lip gloss is absolutely magic. It appears green until you apply it to your skin. It will change to pink, but shades vary depending on your skin's pH level. This lip gloss itself is sparkly and glossy. Okay, I have Charlotte Tilbury lipstick on, but now I want to just take that off. Right? I want to try this. How cute. Okay. We need a mirror. I want to try this. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. I'm getting ahead of myself. There is a shrink seal, but I've already broken it, so, or done a really bad job of breaking it. Maybe I should quick clip that so I don't make a mess. I'm curious. It has that look of like green apple. I don't know that it would have that scent, but it just looks like a green apple. I don't know. Color me crazy. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's a lip gloss. I can see all the little bubbles. Can't wait to try this. Ooh. It's tingling. That's interesting. Okay. There's a tingle to it, which is weird. It definitely has a scent. I don't know. It's like a warming and a tingling. That's weird. I wouldn't say it really went on green, and I don't know that I would say it's coloring pink, but it's absolutely tingling. Now, it could be that I rubbed my lips to get that lipstick off. It's a nice lip gloss, though. It's not sticky, so I like that a lot. I don't like it when your lips get all sticky and you're kind of, everything's stuck together. But it feels warm and kind of tingly, so that's really weird. So, okay, cool, cute. I just want to feel like I smell, green apple, but I don't know what I smell. Maybe I'm still smelling the tingly chemical. What do you think? I don't think it color changed much for me. Okay, so that's our 5th item. And that was, again, $20. I don't know if I'd spend $20 on this, just judging by the fact that it really just comes off as a kind of a clear lip gloss for me, but it's cute. So I think that's a little bit of a reach on that price, but this is really nice from Beauty Creations, this black eyeshadow primer. I think that's going to be really, really cool. A little bit goes a very long way, and that is very affordable at $5. The blush is super cute. There's the box for it. I think it's a very pretty color. And it blended really pretty into a really pretty color in my hand. So happy about that. You can't be unhappy about a beautiful Ofra highlighter in full size. Ofra like started it all with highlighters. I mean, they're really gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then of course, the palette, very pretty. Wicked Widow Graveyard Smash. Wicked Widow Beauty. Very pretty. So, again, I'm pretty happy. This time I remembered to grab all the items out of the box. Let me know what you guys think. This has absolutely got my lips burning. Kind of reminds me of like a lip gloss that promises to plump your lips. I don't remember it saying that on here. It's supposed to be like a pH color changing lip gloss. So I guess it's supposed to react to your pH in your skin. I guess mine's reacting by tingling and burning a little. All right, let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, not only does EYESCREAM Beauty have a box, they also have a bag. Bag is $12.50. You do pay shipping on that, whereas the box is $25. Nice flat fee. Nothing extra for shipping. But yeah, let me know, guys. I've got a link down below. You can subscribe through my link. I think I get like points or something. I don't get paid, so don't get all excited about that. But yeah, love this. Been continuing with this box for a long time. Really appreciate them. They've had really good customer service, so I'm pleased with them. Let me know, like I said, your comments down below, what you thought. I think this is the only item that I'm kind of meh on. I'm not finding that I'm a big fan of this Illuminati pH lip gloss. It is what it is. So have a great week and weekend, guys. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.